Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Math Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects learn connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So for today's lesson, we will be dealing with understanding kinetic energy, practice problems, and MCQ. So let's start now. Understanding kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy that an object has because of its motion. Whenever something moves, it has kinetic energy. This includes people walking, car driving, balls flying through the air, and even water flowing in a river. Kinetic energy depends on two things: the mass of the object and how fast it is moving. In other words, heavier objects and faster moving objects have more kinetic energy. The formula to calculate kinetic energy is Ke is equals to 1 half mv squared. In this formula, Ke stands for kinetic energy and the unit is in joules. M is mass and the unit is kilogram. B is the velocity or the speed and the unit is meter per second. Because the velocity is squared in the formula, even small increases in speed will cause a large increase in kinetic energy. For example, a moving bicycle has kinetic energy. If the bicycle gets faster, its kinetic energy increases. If a truck and a bicycle are moving at the same speed, the truck has more kinetic energy because it has more mass. In real life, you can see kinetic energy in action when a person runs down the hallway, a car speeds down the road, a ball is kicked during a game, and wind blows the blades of a windmill. Kinetic energy is part of a bigger idea in science. Energy can change forms, but it's never lost. When something stops moving, its kinetic energy is converted into something else, like sound or like heat or sound. Kinetic energy is the energy of movement. The faster and heavier something is, the more kinetic energy it has. Let's go to the practice problems number 1. A ball with a mass of 2 kilograms is rolling on the floor at a speed of 3 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? Given mass 2 kilograms, velocity 3 meters per second, required is kinetic energy. So just simply use the formula K is equals to 1 half mv squared and substitute the value of mass and velocity, you got 9 joules. Next, number 2. A car with a mass of 1,000 kilograms is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. Find its kinetic energy. Given the mass is 1,000 kilograms, velocity 20 meters per second, required is kinetic energy. So to solve for kinetic energy, use the formula 1 half mv squared and substitute the values, and you will be getting the kinetic energy of 200,000 joules. Number 3, a bicycle and rider together has a mass of 80 kilograms. If they are moving at 5 meters per second, calculate the kinetic energy. The mass is 80 kilograms, velocity is 5 meters per second. So what is kinetic energy? Just simply substitute the values in our formula and you will be getting 1,000 joules. Next, number 4. An object is moving at a speed of 10 meters per second and has kinetic energy of 500 joules. What is the mass of the object? Given kinetic energy 500 joules, velocity is 10 meters per second, the required is mass. So from the formula, mass will be taken using the formula 2 times kinetic energy over v squared. And substitute the values, the given values, the mass is now 10 kilograms. And number 5, a moving object has a speed of 6 meters per second and kinetic energy of 360 joules. Finds its mass. So kinetic energy is 360 joules. The velocity is 6 meters per second, and the mass. Substitute in our formula of mass, which is 2ke over v squared. And the value of the mass is 20 kilograms. Next, number 6. A stone is thrown with a speed of 12 meters per second and has a kinetic energy of 864 joules. What is its mass? So given kinetic energy 864 joules and velocity 12 meters per second, what is the mass? Again, substitute the data using the formula to get the mass, and you will be getting 12 kilograms. Next, number 7. A 10 kilogram box is sliding across a smooth surface with a speed of 2 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? So given mass 10 kilograms, velocity 2 meters per second, so kinetic energy. So just like in the previous problems, we can get the kinetic energy using the same formula and substitute the given values. You will be getting 20 joules. Next, number 8. A motorcycle has a mass of 150 kilograms and is moving at 15 meters per second. Find its kinetic energy. So the mass is 150 kilograms, the velocity is 15 meters per second, kinetic energy is unknown. Using the same formula and substituting the given data, the value of kinetic energy is 16,875 joules. Number 9. A child riding a scooter has a total mass of 30 kilograms and is traveling at 4 meters per second. How much kinetic energy does the child and the scooter have? So the mass is 30 kilograms, the velocity is 4 meters per second, and the kinetic energy, substitute the given data, you will be getting 240 joules. Number 10. A car with a mass of 500 kilograms has a kinetic energy of 200,000 joules. What is the speed of the car? So given kinetic energy, 200,000 joules, the mass is 500 kilograms. This time, the velocity is given. So therefore, the velocity squared is 2ke over the mass. And then substitute the value, we will be getting the value of velocity by taking the square root of that value that you will obtain. And of course, the answer is 28.28 meters per second. Okay, let's go now to MCQ, understanding kinetic energy. So we have number 1. What is kinetic energy? Letter A, energy stored in an object at rest. Letter B, energy due to an object's motion. Letter C, energy from the sun. Letter D, energy that cannot be changed. Number 2, which of the following objects has the greatest kinetic energy? Letter A, a 2 kilogram rock falling at 5 meters per second. Letter B, 1 kilogram rock falling at 10 meters per second. Letter C, a 3 kilogram rock falling at 3 meters per second. And letter D, a 400 kilogram rock falling at 2 meters per second. Next, number 3. If a car's speed doubles, what happens to its kinetic energy? Letter A, it stays the same. Letter B, it doubles. Letter C, it becomes 4 times greater. Letter D, it becomes half. Next, number 4. A moving vehicle suddenly stops. What happens to its kinetic energy? Letter A, it disappears. Letter B, it turns into sound and heat. Letter C, it increases. And letter D, it stays the same. Number 5. A 1 kilogram ball is rolling at 6 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? Letter A, 12 joules. Letter B, 18 joules. Letter C, 36 joules. Letter D, 9 joules. Number 6. Which situation shows a change in kinetic energy? A park bike, a bird. Letter B, a bird at the same speed. Letter C, a roller coaster speeding down. Letter D, a rock lying on the ground. Number 7. Why does a heavier object have more kinetic energy than a lighter one? If both moves at the same speed. Letter A, it has more volume. Letter B, it is affected by gravity. Letter C, it has more mass. Letter D, it creates friction. Number 8, a car with a kinetic energy of 100,000 joules suddenly stops. What might this energy become? Letter A, it disappears forever. Letter B, it becomes kinetic energy in the engine. Letter C, it becomes heat and sound in the brakes. Letter D, it becomes potential energy. Number 9. Which of the following best describes how kinetic energy is useful? Letter A, it keeps objects still. Letter B, it helps objects float. Letter C, it allows objects to do work by moving. Letter D, it gives objects color. Number 10. What happens to the kinetic energy of a thrown ball as it rises? Letter A, it increases. Letter B, it stays the same. Letter C, it decreases. Letter D, it becomes mass. Number 11. A 5 kilogram object is moving at a velocity of 6 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? Letter A, 90 joules. Letter B, 120 joules. Letter C, 150 joules. Letter D, 180 joules. Number 12. A bicycle and a rider have a mass of 60 kilograms and are moving at 4 meters per second. What is the kinetic energy of the system? Letter A, 240 joules. Letter B, 480 joules. Letter C, 290 joules. And letter D, 1,200 joules. Number 13. A moving object with a mass of 12 kilograms has a speed of 10 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? Letter A, 300. Letter B, 400. Letter C, 500. Letter D, 600. Number 14. A moving object has a kinetic energy of 625 joules and a velocity of 25 meters. What is the object's mass? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 4. Letter 5 kilograms. Number 15. An object has a kinetic energy of 300 joules and is moving at 200 meters per second. What is its mass? 2 kilograms. Letter B, 3. Letter C, 4. Letter D, 5. Number 16. What is an object? An object moving at 6 meters per second has a kinetic energy of 216 joules. What is its mass? Letter A, 8. Letter B, 10. Letter C, 12. And letter D, 14 kilograms. Number 17. A car has a mass of 200 kilograms and a kinetic energy of 200 joules, 200 to 1,500 joules. What is its kinetic energy? Letter A, 15 meters per second. Letter B, 20 meters per second. Letter C, 25 meters per second. Letter D, 30 meters per second. Okay, so this will be the next problem, number 18, number 19, and then number 20. And then, um, this will be the answer key for lesson number 1, and this is for lesson number 2. And then, so that's it for today's lessons here on Smile. See you next time. Thank you very much.